loves, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Ann Ellie, and please don't leave here without subscribing. So what I have for you guys today is I'm going to do something a little bit more different, which is I'm just going to do the 10 things about me, just because I mean you guys are watching my videos and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I really do. But so that's why I want to do this video, just so you guys can get to know me just a little bit more better. Now I'm not going to make this video too long, just so but yeah, so if this is something that you would like to watch, then continue watching. Bye. All right, so first thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to use my notebook, just because that is one thing about me, is I'm a forgetful person unless I write it down. So yeah, so what I did here is I did the 10 things about me, and number 1, I wrote down I'm a wife and I'm a mom of 2 boys and 1 girl. Number 2, I'm shy or too quiet, as people would say that I am, but once you get to know me, then I am pretty talkative and loud. All right, so number 3 is I have to pretty much sit crossing my legs pretty much everywhere I go, and that even includes date night or like in a restaurant or things like that. But I always have to cross my legs no matter where I am. All right, number 4, I'm very outdoorsy, which means summer is definitely my favorite season. I was born in San Antonio, but I was raised here in Dallas, Texas. My favorite kind of music is all kinds of music, except I don't really think I dig the hard rock and roll, or just a hard rock, you know, the one that just you don't understand, is where like, you know, like, yeah. But yeah, so I like all kinds of music except for that rock, heavy, or is it heavy metal? I don't know, but yeah, that one. My feet always feel like popsicle because they're just always so freaking cold. All right, now this one's a little bit harder for me because I love all kinds of movies. I can sit down and watch one movie after another movie after another movie, but one that I really don't get bored of is 16 Candles or Selena. And number 10, last but not least, my full name is April Ann Alvarez, however you want to say Alvarez. I say Alvarez, but AAA. But so Ann Ellie came from, Ann is my middle name, and Ellie is from my daughter's middle name, which is Eliora.